Our Crocodile leather shoes are one of the most exclusive shoes we offer. Crocodile differs from alligator leather in that it is thicker and has a more matte finish. The leather we use comes from the belly of the crocodile, resulting in more circular and less angular patterns than alligator. In today's video, we will show you how to care for crocodile shoes so they can be a centerpiece of your wardrobe for many years to come. We will demonstrate some techniques with one of our Carmina boots, specifically a brown work boot mounted on the Sawyer last. We will start by placing the shoes on an appropriate shoe tree. Then, we brush the shoe to make sure that all the dust is removed, making a clean surface. Pay special attention to the joint of the sole with the uppers. Once our shoes are clean, we can apply the cream. In this case, the crocodile, just as the alligator, is an exotic and non-porous leather, so we will use our cordovan colourless cream. This is because its formulation will help us moisture the leather without damaging its structure. We will apply the product with a chamois or cotton cloth with soft circular movements. Make sure to completely cover the boot with a thin layer. Once this is done, let it dry completely for 2 to 5 minutes. In the meantime, you can apply the cream to the other boot of the pair. Then, we will proceed to brush the shoe again to polish the cream. This will help us recover the natural shine of the leather. We will need the same cloth we used before and gently apply the product, focusing mainly on the toe and heel of the shoe and other areas that you really want to highlight. Repeat our care routine every 1 or 2 weeks to ensure the leather is always well hydrated. Again, the product dries completely and then brush off one last time to polish the product and get that wonderful extra shine. Extra tips for your crocodile leather shoes. Remember to put shoes on shoe trees when you're not wearing them. This prevents the leather from deforming and helps to prevent wrinkles. Shoe trees also help absorb moisture, preventing the shoe from cracking and breaking on the inside. Be sure to repeat the shoe care routine regularly. Dry leather is more susceptible to cracking and damage. Keeping shoes moisturized will help them stay in good condition for years to come. Use a shoe horn when putting on the shoes. This will prevent wrinkles on the back of the shoe caused by the action of putting on the shoes. Allow each product to dry completely. This ensures that creams will soften and moisturize, and shoe polishes will give their best shine. Apply products in thin layers. It is always better to apply 2 thin layers of a product instead of 1 thick layer. With too much product, the shoe will take too long to dry and it may not be covered evenly. And that's all for today. We hope this video helps you care for our beautiful crocodile leather shoes. What is the next leather you would like us to explain? Please leave your suggestions in the comments and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next video.